Hello, I'm Ben Bryk with Vero Premier Properties, a signature division of Coldwell Banker Global Luxury. We are at Lennar Seagrove, just across the county line from Vero Beach. And this is the Hartford model, a tribute to the state of Connecticut.
There you go.
We have Breeze Airways that flies here year round. And we have my work partner, Vance.
Vance and Vero.
And we are with Sebastian. Sebastian is with Lennar. Tell us all about this Hartford model, what makes this model special.
So this Hartford model is actually the biggest one-story floor plan that we have here in Seagrove. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 2,000 square feet. Has a large open concept where you see the kitchen behind us. It is a split floor plan as well. This specific floor plan is either for families, couples, single people, just because it's how it's set up is just a great way of living and a great option for a lot of people.
So it's open to a variety of lifestyles.
Correct.
So the best way, yes, what does this cost? Tell us.
Yeah, so this does cost somewhere low 400s, either from $399 up to $430. And as mentioned, it does depend on the lot and also the upgrade in the home.
And you're talking about a new quality home built to the latest hurricane standard. The cost of home ownership is much lower. The insurance costs are lower, the utility costs are lower. And if you'd like additional information about this or any of the other models at Seagrove, go to our website, FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com, click under the new home builder sections and look for Lennar. Everything's there. Or you can reach out to me at 772-713-9455. Vance, your number is?
772-913-3426, and download our app, Vero Premier Properties.